Alright guys, right here do some work on the old Pontiac. Here's my mini starter for an Oldsmobile or a Pontiac. And I'm gonna show y'all a little about starters on Pontiac engines with headers. Anyways, let's get into it. So first step of this, we're gonna want to unhook our battery terminals. Y'all, the first thing we want to do is unhook our battery terminals. Y'all asked me how I found out about that. Here's what we're working with. It's in here pretty good. This starter will barely fit in this hole, and them connections you got to make on it, they take a little while with these big tube headers on there. These aren't even 1 5/8 headers, which are like the standard. These are 1 3/4 primary tubes, so it's adds a little bit of, takes away a little room in there. This heavy sucker right here, we ain't gonna even try to wrestle him out of there. I'm just gonna let him fall and hope he falls on the ground. Yeah. Don't worry guys, it ain't gonna hurt that starter none. Alright, y'all, this is see how much more room I'm gonna have. There's so much more room for activity.
More space. So much aerobics in here. So many activities. Do stuff.
Say this guy, he probably weighs about maybe about 7 pounds, and he might weigh 30 pounds, really, guys. So who knows? I was gonna be going faster from changing a starter, you know. But yeah, we're gonna put this boy in here. And I was looking at like this here. Looks like I'm gonna need me some washers in there. Make up the difference of them bolts. But yeah, I think it'll be all right. All right, I got a feeling it needs shimmed. We're gonna see what we got here. Oh! Sounds like a race car. Yeah, sounds pretty good to me. Sounds pretty good to me. It sounds like a race car starting up. So, yeah, I don't need to shim or nothing, I think. So, y'all, I appreciate y'all watching. I guess this end up right here. I'd call it a win. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good one.